sun is sinking low behind the grain, like an old photograph washing in the rain. I left a part of me in a diner in Des Moines, just another ghost trading silver for the coins. The dash is glowing soft in a neon shade of blue. Every mile I drive is a mile away from you, and the wind, it whispers through the wire, fueling up the engine and the fire. Oh, we're running through the heartland, wild and free, searching for the person that I'm meant to be. With the pedal steel crying under velvet skies, I see the whole wide world through these tired eyes. It's a long, long road home, but the rhythm never dies. Yeah, the rhythm never dies. 26 years on a map that's torn at the edge, standing on the shadow of a broken mountain ledge. The radio is humming a song from '94, but it sounds like a future worth fighting for. Yeah, the asphalt's singing under every tire, taking me higher, taking me higher. We're running through the heartland, wild and free, searching for the person that I'm meant to be. With the pedal steel crying under velvet skies, I'll see the whole wide world through these tired eyes. It's a long road home, but the rhythm never dies. It ain't about where you're going, it's the dust you leave behind. It's the silence in the static that's so hard to find. With the pedal steel wheel crying under velvet skies, I see the whole wide world through these tired eyes. It's a long